Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys, how to hide or unhide a folder or file in Windows. And if it, let's say, if right now my hide.zip is hidden, but I'm able to view it, so I'm going to teach you guys how to hide the files and how to view them. So let's just not waste any more time and let's just dive into the video. Oh, one more thing before we go into the video, there are a few additional videos which I have posted in my channel, such as how to create unlimited Gmail address, how to create unlimited email addresses or Gmail addresses, and I have posted many technical solving problems, or how to solve the Google problems, etc. Those various links will be in the description. You can just go check it out. So let's just not waste any more time and let's just straight down to the video. Like I told before, this hide.zip is right now hidden. So I'm going to teach you. Let's for example, let's take this office folder. I want to right now hide this. In order to hide this, first of all, we are gonna navigate to the properties. The properties is this step is going to be the same for both either Windows 7, 8, or 10 or 11. It's gonna have the same steps. We're just gonna navigate to the properties. There is a feature known as hidden over here. We're gonna click this hidden, and if we're gonna click OK, we'll be able to hide this. As you can see, right now this file is hidden. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go to the desktop, and I'm gonna actually view. I'm gonna choose how I'm gonna view this. Okay, so in the view, I'm gonna in order to right now I enable this feature. So what is that I'm going to do is that I'm going to show do not show. This is the default feature which you would have. Okay, so I just changed it, so I do not have this feature. I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to just minimize this. As you can see right now, my Hi and the Office, both the folders have disappeared. It's actually there, but it's actually hidden from our view. Okay, so in order to view it again, what we're going to do is that we're going to go to the properties, not properties, and go to options. The options we're going to go to view. We're going to show hidden files, folders, and drivers. Click OK. And right now, I'll just refresh. Okay, so it is visible over here. As you can see, the hide.zip and the Office both is visible over here. I'm going to now unhide this. In order to unhide this, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to just remove this tick and I'm going to click OK. Okay, right now this folder is visible. So in order to hide a file, what I'm going to do is the same steps. Go to properties. In the properties, we're going to choose. We're going to have two attributes: read-only attribute and the hidden attribute. The read-only attribute means is that it's going to cancel the edit permissions for everyone, and only the administrators will be able to edit it, and that too by removing this read-only attribute. So that is what read-only means. And if we're going to choose hidden, it's going to hide the file. Right now this is actually hidden. I'm going to perform the same step. I'm going to go to view. I'm going to don't show. That's it. As you can see, this folder is showing empty, but there is actually a file in this folder. In order to view it, we're going to go again and we're going to show hidden files, folders, and drivers. Okay, guys, I'm going to unhide this again. In order to unhide the file, hide a file, the same steps must be followed. Okay, guys, I hope everyone understood what must be done in order to hide or unhide or view a file or folder in Windows. So thanks for watching this video until the end. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up button below this video. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. And once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. Let's meet again in the next video. Bye.